Somehow, even though we get underneath houses and get all dirty, dig holes into septic areas, we climb up into attics, we put metal roofs on, move buildings, we still work on commercial situations, which is, this is a spa, and we are going to make it look better per the order of the spa owner or renter. So here we go. This particular job, we got to move the furniture, which will, this side, the owner does not want this block to be changed. Why, I don't know. Doesn't matter. But this side has been patched up. If you notice, there used to be an opening here, doorway, and then they put a smaller door. Then they caulked the door. Now you got a caulked up door with no knob or nothing. And we got to take this trim off, try to make it look better. And we're going to put texture over all this and repaint it. We'll probably put trim in as per the, and we're going to do texture all the way around. So we got to protect the floor. And we're going to go inside the bathroom. Try to dress this up. I don't know yet. We got to take in, clean up that, clean up this homemade cover. I don't know why. I don't know what that's about. So access into something. And then we're going to get rid of this, put in a regular door, which used to be there. So we're going to pull this light out. In a later date, we'll pull these other two lights out. She's got the chandeliers, albeit small ones, ordered. So we'll try to take you along with us. I'm glad you're here, and maybe we'll learn something along the way. So we will recognize, improvise, and overcome. Remember that one? We just got to do it. This position, this job, we will make it look better. At least better. Maybe not as good as I would like, but I think it looked great. Watch and see.